I've turned the camera on. What do you think about rattling it?
Not sure, probably a canopy latch or something.
Circle approach, good afternoon, Diamond Star 431 Juliet Papa out of El Monte for Palm Springs.
431 Juliet Papa, see approach altimeter 29904.
29904 on the altimeter, 1 Juliet Papa.
SoCal, Bananas 113 Alpha Whiskey, descending through 90,300. Bonanza 113 Alpha Whiskey, approach altimeter 29904.
Traffic's going to pass 800 feet beneath us.
3 Alpha Whiskey, and I have Sierra.
I don't see him anymore.
He's under us, that's why.
Whatever it was, I have the latest.
To admit, I'm now finding one thing I don't like particularly.
What's that?
No EGT on cylinder 4.
Here we go back, I don't like the rattle.
3505, 2 going from you.
We go back.
Just watch the altitude a little bit, I'll give them a call and tell them we'll...
Diamond 431 Juliet Papa has a very minor technical problem. We'd like to return to El Monte.
431 Juliet Papa, roger. Left turn heading 270, enable direct El Monte, remain at or above 4,500 VFR.
Left turn heading 270 at above 4,500 feet, Juliet Papa.
One you probably said is not an emergency.
We've just got no EGT reading on cylinder 4. No problem with the engine at this time, November Juliet Papa.
1 Juliet Papa, roger. El Monte information, Delta wind 160 at 5, 9er miles, scattered 3,200, runway 19 active.
Information Delta as we left it, Diamond Juliet Papa.
Am I going not above or not below?
Not below 4,500.
I suggest we keep.
Active 60 Papa, turn left heading of 080.
I would start a gentle descent, simply because anything coming this way will be at 5,500.
Let me know when you're ready for vectors to final. 60 Papa, roger. Continue left turn heading of 040, vectors localizer.
Wind 2005. Cessna 34 Victor, altitude indicates 1,200, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, 8934 Victor.
Is not available.
N431JP, public contact ground.